AT number 4. These are your 10 SAT words for this week. Please take notes on each word, part of speech, the definition and example given, and take these notes in the Cornell format. If you don't remember what that was, you can go back to SAT number 3 because you use the same format for those notes as well. Word number 1, elude, a verb, to escape notice, to get away from. Sleep eluded me last night, semicolon. I tossed and turned all night long. And you can see in the image there is the mouse, and he is trying to elude the mousetrap to get the cheese. Who does he look like? Number 2 is fallow. It's an adjective, so you're going to use it to describe something. It means inactive and unproductive. The land remained fallow and unused this planting season. And the image is a picture of a dry and dusty piece of land that's not being planted. Number 3, blight, is a noun. Anything that destroys, prevents growth, or causes devaluation. The many newspaper articles revealing the use of torture by the CIA caused a blight on its reputation. And the image there is an example of a potato blight. So this is when the blight gets into the crops of potatoes and ruins them so that you can't eat them. Obsequy is a noun, a funeral rite or ceremony. There were so many people who attended the beloved general's obsequy that they had to add an area outside the church to accommodate them all. Obsequy. This is a picture of a military obsequy. You can see the coffin is draped with the American flag and the people passing by. Number 5, denizen, is a noun, an occupant, an inhabitant. Oops, we're missing a T there. Should be inhabitant. When Hillary Clinton wanted to be a New York State Senator, she first had to buy property in New York and become a denizen of this state. Denizen, an occupant or an inhabitant. Number 6 is fealty, a noun, obligated loyalty or faithfulness. Every morning we pledge our fealty to the United States by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. There's a nice patriotic picture for you. Number 7, entice, is a verb, to attract by offering reward or pleasure. I did not want to go to the movies with my sister, but she enticed me by offering to buy my ticket and some popcorn. Entice. Gratify is a verb, to please. The cold skiers were gratified by the hot chili and warm fire. Gratify. You can see that in the picture. Number 9, laggard, is a noun, a slow person, especially one who falls behind. As the group finished the 2-hour tour of the museum, there was one woman in 4-inch heels who was the laggard of the group, semicolon. She clearly chose the wrong shoes for the tour. Laggard. 10, gambit, is a noun, a maneuver or action used to gain an advantage. The Russians used an effective gambit to beat Napoleon and his forces when they invaded Russia. Scorched earth tactics. That's a good review for you. Gambit. And that's all. See you tomorrow.